guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you a tour of a listing that we have here in Xavier Estates. So this is located in the 4th phase of Xavier. It's actually very near the phase 4 gate, just within walking distance to the phase 4 gate. It's also near Rosevale Academy. So if you have kids going to Rosevale, then they can just literally walk to school. So this house sits on a 200 square meter lot, and it has a floor area of 300 square meters. So this is 3 stories high. So it's pretty high because usually the houses here in XC are around, or generally in the uptown area, are about 2 stories. So this is 3 stories. This house has 4 bedrooms plus 1 maid's room, and it has 4 toilet and baths plus 1 powder room. So it has 1 car parking space, and it was renovated in 2014. So welcome to our listing. This house is currently at 15 million. So as you walk inside, you can see that it has a high ceiling and it has an open floor plan. So here in the living area, you immediately walk into the living area, and what I like about the doors is they are double doors. So you can open both of these doors. And the advantage is it's very practical, because if you have huge furniture coming in, then you can easily move huge furniture into your house with doors like these. And they have 2 living areas. So one is here, the other is over there. So it can really seat a lot of people. It's very convenient for entertainment, and there's a flat screen TV over there. So this house actually comes semi-furnished. All the basic stuff that you need to live will be included in the sale. So that includes the living room, couches, the TV, the beds, the dining table. So let's go to the dining area. So it comes with a 6-seater dining table, and the kitchen is just conveniently located over here, very close to the dining. So if you're cooking and then you're moving food from the kitchen to the table, it would be very convenient since both are just nearby. There's a lot of counter space as well, so lots of space to put your stuff like the dishes if you're cooking. And then this is already included the range hood, the cooktop. There's a built-in oven as well. And then there's a more counter space over here, like a mini bar. So if you like drinking, you can really store the drinks here. You can store cooking utensils here as well, like the pots and the pans. So this house comes with 2 refrigerators, so it's a good thing they come with a lot of space, right? You can really store a lot of, if you like the double door fridge, then you can put it over there. But there's 1 ref here, and then there's another ref over here. And then it comes with, there's also a smaller kitchen over here. And this is where you can put your washing machine as well. And there's even more space at the back. So at the back is where the laundry area is located. And if you need more cooking space, then you can also utilize this area to cook as well. And then there is like a maid's room or a storage room over here. So there's currently a lot of stuff inside, but once you clean it up, it's actually a good sized room to store stuff, or you can also utilize it as a maid's room. And then there is a toilet and bath on the first floor. So let's go to the second floor. So now we are here at the second floor. It's actually more like a mezzanine, but effectively it's also a second floor. So there is one huge bedroom on the second floor. And it has a small balcony over here. So from this balcony here, you can actually see the main road, which is just over there. So the phase 4 gate is just really nearby. You can just walk to the phase 4 gate. And then this bedroom has a walk-in closet. So there are already a lot of shelves here, a lot of space to store your clothes. And the toilet and bath is over here. So what I like about this is a really space saver because the cabinets already have mirrors on them. So you can just use these mirrors to check your outfit, or it's a space saver because it's like a 2-in-1 already. And then there's another like area here where you can look out to the living room. And then now we are at the third floor. So the third floor has a couple more bedrooms. So on the second floor, there's one huge bedroom with a toilet and bath. And on the third floor, this is bedroom number 2. So the bedrooms already come with cabinets as well. So built-in cabinets. And then there's already a bed, air conditioning. And then this is the common toilet and bath here on the third floor. And then this is bedroom number 3, located on the third floor. So this is a slightly smaller bedroom compared to the other one we just checked out. And then the fourth bedroom. So this is it. And then there's also like a small space that you can use as office space, or you can maybe make it into a TV den or a library or a play area for your kids. So this is extra space that you can utilize. And of course, this leads out to the balcony. So this is the balcony here on the third floor. And from the balcony, you can see the parking area and the mini garden you have on the first floor. So this house is already fully fenced and gated. It has a small garden up front as well where you can put your plants. And that's it for this house tour. If you would like to check out this home in person, then just contact me. My contact info is in the description box below. And I hope to see you again in my next video.